PC gaming on a budget, no controller configurations, super compatible, you don't care for wireless? Look no further. This is the Xbox 360 controller for Windows, and in this video we are going to be taking a look at its pros and cons. Is this the controller for you? Let's find out. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech, let's shoot. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. It's nice having you here. I make reviews of tech gadgets like this one to help you guys make a good purchase decision. So do subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot. So this is what we get in the box. No manuals. But who really needs a manual? It's really just plug and play. By the way, this controller costs just $11 or 5,000 naira. Very affordable. The Xbox controller is very comfortable to hold. It was comfortable in my hand. I actually prefer this to the PlayStation controllers. Right at the middle of the controller, we have the Xbox button. Tapping it will open Game Bar on Windows. The green light on the Xbox button indicates what player you are. So in my case, I'm player 1. Meaning you can connect a maximum of 4 Xbox controllers to one PC. I am not a fan of the direction buttons on the Xbox controller. They lack precision, and a lot of people actually feel the same way about these Xbox direction buttons. The other buttons on the Xbox controller are good. The analog sticks do not feel loose at all. The X, Y, B and A buttons are great. Also the bumper and triggers, that's the LB, RB, LT and RT buttons, they're all good, but they are not quiet. So when you click, they make a lot of noise and it does make the controller feel cheap. Here's how they sound. It uses USB Type A cable, so it's compatible with any Windows computer that has a USB Type A port. So it's compatible with all Windows computers. So this controller can't work wirelessly, obviously, but the cable is really long. It's about 2 meters long. The Xbox 360 controller for Windows is compatible with any Windows PC. It's just plug and play. No need for any configurations, drivers installation or controller settings. Just plug into your PC and start playing your games. Talking about playing games, this is me playing FIFA 19 with the Xbox controller on my laptop. So, should you buy this controller? If you're okay with using a wired controller and you don't care for the noisy buttons, you should definitely get the Xbox 360 controller for Windows. It's compatible with all Windows PC and there's no need for any driver installation or controller settings. So yes, I highly recommend this Xbox controller. But do tell me in the comment section what you think of the Xbox controller. Do you like it? Are you going to get one? Let me know in the comments below. Do give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Smash that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoot. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in my next video.